name is Ashna Jeminishala and I'm the CEO for Franchisee Exhibitions. And we are organizing 5th time in Chennai this exhibition. This is FRO, Franchise and Retail Opportunity Show, 57th edition. So FRO is a property which is organized in all major cities of the country, giving a platform to all franchisers, companies who want to expand pan-India. So they participate in the exhibition and we invite local investor. So through this show we are covering entire Tamil Nadu, entire Kerala, major cities from Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh also. In these 2 days we are expecting over 4,000 people and from these areas which I have just mentioned. Along with the exhibition we are doing conference, and in conference we invite speakers from all sectors, because from this show we showcase opportunities from food and beverage, from education, from jewelry, from apparel, from spa, health and beauty, all categories. Companies who are into franchising in these categories, they participate with us. And we bring in speakers also, and they share their knowledge in their category with the investors. So in conference also we invite investors who want to understand franchising better. So what are the tools and techniques of franchising, how they can select a property, which business they should go for, finance funding, how to select a real estate. So the complete information is given to them through conference, and plethora of opportunities is offered to them in the exhibition. So through exhibition and conference we are building up entrepreneurship so that people get more and more opportunity to start up their businesses. And as a company, as Franchise India, we are also offering opportunities for franchise funding. So it's a huge opportunity. So we are giving a complete solution so that people can start their own businesses, and we help India grow its economy.
What are the types of business lines which have been involved here?
We have all kinds of businesses. As I mentioned that we work with all sectors. So we have education, we have food and beverage, companies from food and beverage industry. We have vocational studies, and then financial services, jewelry, health and beauty, wellness, all companies.
How many stalls have been put here?
We have 50 physical stalls, companies who are participating, but there are a lot of companies which are associated with us. So through this show we are showcasing over 100 business opportunities.
Yeah, you say that this is the 5th year which you are running.
5th year in Chennai.
5th year in Chennai.
Yes.
How was the response for the previous 4 years?
Very good. Previous 3 shows we did with Ambassador Pallava. So Ambassador Pallava was a small place, so we used to do about 40 stalls show. But seeing the response in 3 years, so we had to take Green Park. We had to take this as our venue, because this venue holds the biggest area in Chennai. So we have scaled up our show, and next year we are planning to even go big. We are planning to do it in Chennai Trade Center.
Yeah, and this IFRO, for the past 4 years you are running it. How many how many business has been closed here on franchisees?
See, every franchisor closed from 2 to 4 franchisees from each show. So that kind of response, that kind of success we have received from our FROs, previous FROs.
Okay. In southern India, what are the places where you had the shows?
We organize shows. We have 2 formats. One is FRO, which is a big format show. Then another is BOS, specially designed business opportunity show, especially designed for tier 2, tier 3 cities. So all major cities. So FRO is conducted in Chennai, in Hyderabad and in Bangalore, all major cities. When BOS is conducted in Coimbatore, Trichy, Chennai also we do, Vizag,
Mana?